Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another tutorial video, and today we will be going over how to control your Apple TV from your iPhone or iPad. Now while we will be doing this on an iPhone, the process will be exactly the same for an iPad. Let's go ahead and get started. First, unlock your phone, and then go to Settings. You're going to scroll down to Control Center, which is right underneath General. Then if you scroll down, because these are the options that are available in your control center, which if you swipe up, if you have a button, you can swipe up from the bottom and this will be your control center. Now if you have the newer devices, the one with the notch, you will pull down from the upper right corner. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to, here it is, Apple TV remote. So you can see it's been added to the included controls. You're done with that, and if you swipe up, you can see this thing that looks a lot like the remote. And if you click it, this is pretty much the same exact interface of the older Apple TV device. The Siri remote, I believe is what it's called. And you can control, and you can choose the TV if you have more than one Apple TV. Now, while this might not be the most useful thing, it is very good for households that have 2 and 3 people using the same device and never being able to find the controller. Well, I do believe that is the end of our tutorial video. Let us know down in the comments what you would like us to do a tutorial over next, and we will catch you guys next time.